Good morning. It's the 3rd of May and I'm just leaving camp at 7:15. A whole bunch of people rolled in yesterday. A big group that has been kind of at the same tempo, and then two other people. So I think there were 8 of us overall, or 7 on the campground, which is a lot. It's also a big campground, so no issue. Today it's really cold. It was about 30 degrees this morning, so tent was frozen, fingers were frozen, and it was hard to get up. But yeah, starting now. The first thing is a 4-mile climb up to 3,000 meters to Manga's outlook, and then back down on the other side. So I'm going to enjoy that. Actually, having this climb as the first thing of the day is really good, because it does get the juices flowing, so it does keep you warm, or it warms you up. And so by the time we get up there, I get up there, I'm warm myself. It'll probably be around 9 o'clock. Sun should be up, and then it should feel differently. Made it to the top of Manga's mountain, 2,975 meters. So just shy of 3,000. And now there is a fire lookout somewhere up here, and I'm planning to find it. And you can maybe see behind me, it's also the first day that we see birch trees. I found it. It wasn't that easy actually. I went past it first time, but there's a little trail up back.
There was a bed up here. Up in the tower. There was a bed up here. Yeah. 4 years ago, we threw it out the window.
Yes, that was definitely a worthy side quest. Super cool tower, and from the top you could see what felt like the entire state of New Mexico. Now you could really see forever why. It's also the concept of putting scouting towers up on the high ground is just centuries old, but it also makes so much sense. It's a lot more sensible than walls. Everybody knows if you build a wall, all you need is like a battering ram or trebuchet, and that wall is toast. So towers on mountains, I'm telling you guys, it's a thing. Anyway, I also learned from the person who's in charge of this tower what these different land agencies that you keep getting in contact with out here actually what they're responsible for. So apparently the BLM is responsible for all the flat stuff, so the Bureau of Land Management. Then the state level agency, at least in New Mexico, is responsible mostly for private properties, like out in the boondocks. There's fires going on there, something like that. And then the Forest Service, you're not going to believe it, is responsible for the forests. So they do work all together apparently, but there are different agencies taking care of different parts of the environment up here. So that was a handy thing to learn.
I'm Skipper, and I'm from Wyoming.
And my trail name is Potato. I grew up in El Salvador. My father's French. I spent a lot of time in the US now, so I'm from
Everywhere.
many places. Yeah,
Okay.
very international.
And how long have you been out here on the CDT?
Yeah, it's been like
2 weeks?
Yeah, more than 2 weeks, maybe
Something like that?
16 days.
Something
more or
like
less,
that,
yeah.
And how has the CDT been treating you?
Very well. Surprisingly well.
Yeah, so far so good. Better than the AT, because on the AT I had IT band syndrome, and yeah, that was really hard on my knees, really painful. And nothing like that, nothing that bad has happened for us on the CDT. So
Yeah. It's a little dry, a little hot, but pretty
Yeah.
good.
All right. And why did you want to hike the CDT?
Mm,
one thing led to another.
it's a very unique thing, I think.
Yeah, I think after we finished the AT, we were pretty sure we were not going to do another through hike. But as time passes, you forget the difficulty of it, the pain, the suffering, and you do remember all the good times and the people you met and all the places where you camped. Like I get flashbacks of the rivers and the forests. So I think that's pretty much why we're out here doing it again.
But also the AT isn't very scenic. You do the AT kind of just to do a through hike. So I was interested in the CDT because I know the mountains in Colorado and Wyoming and Montana, not all of them, but I know that it's a lot more scenic and harsh and difficult.
So I just wanted to take a break when a herd of about 10 cows came charging out of the forest. Were coming straight to me. I don't see them back there. I don't really know what they were thinking. Maybe they were associating me with food or something salty. But I decided to keep going for a while.
Yeah.
No, that will be nice. Alright, just frying up potatoes and cabbage and onions and eggs. And it's gonna be a feast! Alright, let's see what the cowboy kitchen cooked up. We got beans and fried potatoes and cabbage and onions and 3 eggs. Yay! Well, if you got a roof, you don't need a tent. So that's where I'll be sleeping tonight.
Good French stuff.
Top-notch quality, huh?